Hey yo, Cameron, cheers, bro. I told you I'm coming back with a video for you, so here I am. So, you said you need some SEO for a website, but the thing with the SEO is it's really complex. There's a lot of stuff about it, and so today I'm not gonna take only SEO in consideration, but also traffic and trust. All these three elements are really important to actually getting clients, and I'm gonna break down everything for you today, my guy. Don't worry about it. Okay, so you said you're interested in SEO on your website. Which website is this one? See the domain here. I already entered your website, and I have to say it looks pretty good. You know, it's like above average, I would say so. It is not always about how things are looking. I see that your domain has had some activity, like it was about in 2011, and then in 2018 it had a bit more activity. It means it has like a lot of potential. It has a lot of potential. So the ranking ability, I would say it's like 5 out of 10. Like you have the possibility to rank, because right now if you are looking, let me check. So this is your domain, see here. Okay, so on December 2023 you started actually to rank, and then you went a bit up. But yeah, anyway, you're like, you have two keywords, and with both of them you're like between 51 and 100 place, so like way far away from the first page. But you have, because as I said, it makes me like it, designers like me are really happy when they see this, when they see like a domain that was bought long time ago. So continuing with the next thing would be content and website layout. Okay, let's go. First, by like the first thing I can see here, I can see stock photos, which I don't like. Like if you want people to trust you, we're gonna talk about trust later, but if you want to make people trust you, the traffic that you're getting, you need to use photos with you or with your team while moving. Anyway, back to content. So it's good that you put here the, you know, the area where you guys are active, what you're doing. You said trusted moving solutions. Okay, services, a bit about you, and the really quick form for a quote request. Nice, that's nice. It's nice that you put it here directly. The first thing I see is this, and also phone number. That's pretty good, bro. That's really good. What I would do, it's really annoying. It makes me wait too long. It's already annoying the fact that I don't have links directly. I should have links directly here on desktop. This should be on mobile. If you want to use this on desktop, make it a bit faster. It takes too much time to open it and close it. Okay, next. Good. Okay, you're telling me you're welcoming me to your business. Tell me a bit about it and what you guys are doing. Okay, that's nice. What services you offer? Good job. Okay, but I don't see here any reviews. I should, like, the first thing I should see here when I arrive, I should see, you know, like a place to request a quote, then reviews, some, you know, some trust badges, some certifications, insurance, something. I don't see none of these. Okay, it's good that you put the services, but put some different icons for each one of them. Okay, nice. Call to action, good job. And reviews, those should be in the first, like this section should be the second section, or the first one after the hero. Okay, next. So content, I would give you on this one, even though you're missing some stuff, I would give you 6.6 out of 10. I'm gonna give you 6 out of 10. Okay, and now let's go to the SEO, to the technical SEO. Okay, so as you can see, your website is here, and the on-page SEO is not really that great, but it's also really not bad. But if you ask me, B- is really bad, and even A- is really bad, because they don't know, they don't see what's actually on the website, you know. They just check stuff around. So anyway, you don't have meta description tag, which is like really important. You don't have H1s, which is also really important. If you don't have H1s, so I'm gonna just show you really quick. So exactly, like, your website needs to be exactly like a Google Doc, you know, or like a Word. You have the title, you know, then you have like a subtitle, then you have the H1s, you have, you know, H1s, then you have the H2s, then you have the H3s, then the paragraphs, which is like normal text. So everything needs to be in order so Google actually can read your website, because this is one reason on why your website is not getting ranked. And we have even more. Let's just go back to it. Alt text to images, so people that cannot see or have problems, they cannot use your website, and Google knows this. And not only that, the people that can do this, the people that cannot do this cannot enter your website. It's also that it helps with the SEO to rank up, because in those alt text images and the meta description tags, you can actually put keywords in, so that also helps up. And as you can see here, okay, you need a bit more content, but it's pretty low priority. Like on the bottom, we don't have like really big stuff. The first ones are really important, as you can see. Okay, and if I check all of them, then the list gets even bigger. Okay, next, those ones we already discussed. There's no H1s. There's no H1s, bro. Solve these problems ASAP. And your choice, why you're also not ranking is because you're mostly using only really popular keywords. I'm gonna send you something that nobody will send you ever. Okay, so I'm gonna send you an SEO keyword list with all the keywords that you can use on your website. I'm gonna send it to you for free, so you can actually rank up, bro. Here you go. So you can use this list to grow your website, man. You can use these keywords in your content, in your alt text, in your meta tags, everything. Okay, so we can sort it by volume, which means how much they are used. You know, you see these? Moving near me, moving composite near me, local movers, piano movers. Those are like really used ones. And if I choose only movers or moving, then it's even worse. And if I go to the other, like, as you can see here, if I switch it, then it's really long stuff. It's not a lot of volume on it, which means you can go like on the first page easy with these keywords. Anyway, it's a lot of them with the same volume, a lot of them, bro. And also you can use this one with the keyword difficulty. You know, the easier it is, the easier it is to actually rank. Anyway, let's go back to it. So the SEO work is on the ground. I'm gonna give you 1 out of 10. SEO on page content and layout. It's also bad because you have like how many 2 keywords I saw here that they act like the Google actually see on your website like 2 keywords. Let me check. It was, yeah, 2 keywords, 2 organic keywords. So it's really bad, bro. 1 out of 10. Trust. Okay, so I'm gonna really quickly explain you about traffic, trust, and conversion. So traffic means people that enter your website, and let's see how much people you got on your website previously. You have 2 people on your website per month, bro. So this is really bad, but it's normal. Don't worry about it. It's normal. So it's normal like to have no views if you're not taking care of stuff. So if you take care of all the points that I'm presenting to you today, this now will go up crazy. Okay, so that was the traffic. It kind of makes sense. Okay, so first is the traffic, as I said, which means people that enter your website. Then, does the people that actually enter your website trust your website? Then, from the people that enter your website trust you and your services, how many of them are actually going to ask for a quote request? The conversion rate. And now, from what I see here already, as I told you, there's no pictures with you or your team. You're only using photos. This could be also a fake company, because I see no actual pictures with you, no certifications, no insurance, nothing, bro. I see here your email, the phone number I can call, but I don't trust you. Okay, let's go back to the other pages. About us. Stock photos again. You're telling me who you are, but you have to show me, bro. I'm not gonna read all this. I don't have time. For me, it's much more easy to click this button and go to another moving company as a visitor. I know you, I know you're legit, I trust you. We spoke, but I'm talking like as a visitor. Put some pictures with you, bro. Okay. It's really good that you have this phone number here and you have this button here. I have to say that. For personality, I'm gonna give you 0 points, because I see nothing, no pictures with you. I don't know who you are. Reviews, you have reviews, but you placed them wrong, so I'm gonna give you a 5 out of 10. You also have to specify from where the review is: Facebook, Google, something. 0. We don't have any. Past work gallery, none. Manufacturer suppliers, none. You have to put those as well. I'm gonna show you in a second. Certifications, 0. So your trust is 1 out of 10. So even those 2 people that enter your website, they don't trust you. Imagine. So then we have the conversion. Ease of contact, load speeds, mobile optimization. I think on this one you're gonna catch up, because you have ease of contact. I already can say that, because it's really quick to get in contact with you or ask for a quote request. Everything is here, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna give you a 9 out of 10. And let's see with the speed how it goes. Okay, so GTmetrix is saying you have a B grade and you have 85% percentage. It takes about 2 seconds to load your website, as you can see here. From the moment I click on your website, I open it, takes around 2 seconds. That's pretty good. But these are the things that you can do to actually make it even faster. you're using WordPress, which is pretty good. So it's actually really easy to do. You just search on Google the issue, the platform you're using, and you're gonna find solutions. But most probably there are other millions like you already who had this issue. So it's really easy to solve those. Okay. So I'm gonna give you a 10 out of 10 with speed because it's really fast. Let's see if it's mobile optimized also. Yeah, it's pretty fast and it's mobile optimized. I have a phone number here, that's nice. I'll try to be a bit more consistent with the animations, like use the same animation again and again. Don't use like different ones on every section, but it looks pretty good on mobile. So 8 out of 10 on this one. So traffic, you got a 2.5 out of 10, which means you almost have zero traffic, close to zero. Then you have trust, so the few people that actually enter, they don't trust your website, but you get conversion. It's easy to contact you, it's fast, and it's mobile optimized. And so it's really bad that like people that actually enter the website don't get to this, and it's pretty sad. So you have to take care of everything. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you out. And I'm gonna send you some free stuff so I can actually help you out. I'm gonna send you the SEO keyword list which you can use, and how actually we are doing things, because as I told you about the trust earlier, it's all about the trust, bro. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. So when you have a trustworthy structure, you got, okay, let's scroll down a bit. You see here, we studied like really big moving companies in this industry, and we saw that this is like the successful layout. You know, it's like the standard, like the industry standard. You got an F bar, hero section, you know, customer rating, which means reviews, as I told you, certifications, or big like other companies you collaborate with. Then social media posts or vision, the moving services, not immediately after the hero section. We don't have that immediately after the hero section like you did. Process, so actually people like have transparency and know what is going to happen before even they click get a code request. Okay, any donations or like vouchers for like old people and veterans, about you, a blog if you have one, and a footer. And let's scroll down a bit more. As you can see here, we studied like the piece of cake website. We actually broke it down into really small details, like what they're doing here, everything. And this is not the only moving company that we learned from, but this is one of the biggest ones. And we have many more like documents like these which we wrote down and built to help us throughout the process, every project. So if you have any questions or I can help you with anything, please send me a message and I'm gonna help you out anytime. Take care, wish you good luck with your website, and cheers, bro.